sebentar, sembang santai-santai tentang hidup kita dan apa saja, kongsi cerita apa salahnya. Janji cool and chill, jom jom jom. Jom 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 jom. Jom 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 jom. Jom 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 jom. Jom jom jom. Singgah sebentar, yeah.
From SMS Terengganu, sorry.
I see.
TKC. Ada few people.
Pergi Australia mana tu?
Saya dapat Sydney. So I went to Sydney.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Alright.
Sydney, Australia. Lepas tu I went to high school lah over there. So we did HSC. It was not
Oh,
Australia
HSC.
matriculation.
Oh, okay.
Sebab Australia matriculation ni is only for South Australia saja.
Sam panggil dia? Sam.
Sam
South
is actually for South Australia saja.
Oh.
But so if you go elsewhere, then you have to sit for HSC. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Depend on where you go. Kalau you go to Brisbane, then you masuk dia panggil there's a place called Kelvin Grove High School. Kelvin Grove High School ni is a night school. So so if I'm not mistaken lah. So you don't do HSC, you could do kind of macam entry exam to university.
Oh, sana pun panggil HSC juga eh?
Dia panggil HSC. And it's actually HSC lah because it's actually 2 years. We go into the upper 6 too.
Oh.
Year 12 dia panggil. So
Year
we went
12.
into year 12 which is upper 6 lah. So we didn't do year 11. Most sebab dia bagi kita itulah. I don't know. Dia
So setahun lah.
setahun je lah.
Oh.
Setahun. So it's more or less like matriculation lah. So you have to do all the
Tapi dia punya tu sama tak dengan Sam? South Australian Metric.
I think different lah.
Different,
I think different.
Oh. Lain sistem dia lah.
Sistem dia lain. Depending on state by state lah. But more or less everything is the same kot. Because you after you have finished the HSC or your matriculation, then you are able to go into different universities across state lah. So I suppose all in all everything is equally the same.
I see.
Oh. So you pergi tu bulan 2 tu under apa TPA Kamara?
Under itulah LLN, Lembaga Elektrik Negara.
Kan lah.
Dia daripada LLN awal lagi.
Awal lagi. Memang orang LLN.
LLN ni.
Tak gitu lagi.
LLN.
Studio ni nanti kalau apa-apa masalah elektrik boleh cakap dengan kita punya ni studio.
So dulu sekolah saya berapa orang boleh scholarship TMB LLN?
I think Wejo masuk, tapi I tak sure Wejo masuk at which point. At
Okay.
which
Tak apa, nanti bila kita panggil time
kita panggil Wejo.
Time Wejo kita bertanya.
Saya pun
Wejo.
tak ada kerja. In fact, saya pun tak tahu Wejo duduk dalam TMB. Until dah kerja lama dah.
Ya. Oh, bagus.
Dan baru tahu Wejo duduk dalam
Iya.
TMB.
Oh.
Sebab saya putus dengan
Geng sekolah.
geng-geng sekolah ni. After SPM tu putus tu.
Itulah.
Bila dia putus tu, siapa dengan Lemon first time jumpa geng sekolah masa Lemon kat TMB?
Kawan jumpa balik, jumpa. Kawan jumpa Atta.
Jumpa
Because Atta, he married my family lah, kira relative lah, close relative. So I know him. So and then dia macam family
what
friend
year?
juga.
What year tu? Kira selepas berapa lama tu?
Not
Baru
too-
jumpa. Atta is the first person that you met.
Atta.
Yeah, from SMS lah.
Because of the itulah.
the marriage tu.
I think I met you juga.
Yes.
Because masa tu you all tengah jadi aktivis kan? Nak lawan KJL.
Tapi before that. I ingat ngaho. Apa pergi jumpa you?
Yeah, after that. After that itu.
Kau pergi ke Besia and all that. Jumpa you get your advice and all that. Remember?
Yeah. That was after that.
After that lah.
What year is that?
that-
What year is that?
90s lah.
Early 90s.
Early 90s.
Early 90s.
The
Mid 90s around that.
I jumpa Atta, masa Saleh apa dia?
Saleh
Saleh Abbas.
Saleh
Saleh Abbas kena buang kan.
Oh,
So everybody
okay.
that was
all the right up,
1988.
88 something like that, right? So that was
88,
earlier.
That means 88, late 80s, 88 lah. Oh, so kira masalahnya kita itulah jumpa lama tak jumpa. We were so busy with our life after school, after college. Then masing-masing bawa diri. And then masa tu pun
tak ada communication, tak ada
media sosial pun tak ada ini kan, tak ada macam law ni kan, easy. So susah. Putus terus lah kalau kita tak pergi mari kan.
Betul. So lah, you pergi tu bulan Februari.
And then I took bawa kereta tak? Masa tu
Apa dia?
I don't know how to drive.
Itu
I took the minibus lah. Pergi jumpa
That time
dekat Ampan Jaya lah masa tu kan.
That time when you balik, you terus duduk di KL ke ataupun you balik duduk Kelantan dulu ke?
No, I duduk KL.
Terus duduk KL.
Duduk KL and then
terus kerja
terus
macam
kerja
pun.
sini.
I see.
Dia kan dia TMB, LLN.
Yalah, maksud dia tak ada break lah, mana you terus mana balik tu tak ada break langsung.
Tak ada
terus
break
sambung
lah.
kerja tu.
Alhamdulillah lah. So alhamdulillah lah, I was offered the job in the time when I think
Recession,
there was a recession.
Oh,
the 80s recession.
That is recession 80 something 89 90 still.
When we were about to graduate tu kita dengar
Payah.
payah kerja, and then Petronas pun payah juga. Okay, and then I think the biggest money maker for Malaysia at that time was tourism kan. So that really something that is itulah apa ni we've never heard of kan. And so itulah alhamdulillah lah. So when we were given the job, so I took the job lah. So I said kita tak boleh main-main lah kan. You cannot have a honeymoon kata for a month ke so kan. Take honeymoon after graduation. So I after I balik tu, I think 2 weeks after that I started work.
Started job.
Masa tu mana your first office?
Bangsa.
Oh, kat situ lah Bangsa.
In fact we were given, masa itulah I pun tak tahu sebenarnya bila kita dah we became a LLM scholar, we were already given staff number.
Oh, dah ada lah.
We were given a staff number. So I got my staff number after when I go to Australia, I have my staff number
Already.
So dia memang dia nak episode.
Mana secure lah.
Yeah. So,
Unlike me lah, I'm a GPA scholar kan. Bila balik tu, I balik lambat juga 90. I spent about 7 years dekat US. Balik 90, come back, tak ada kerja lah. Tak ada kerja dan GPA kata, kontrak dengan GPA 10 years. Jadi GPA kata, kalau you find the job yourself, then let us know, then we release you.
Oh, shock juga.
So dia kata sebab we cannot find a job for you. Kalau you dapat cari job sendiri, you notify us officially. Dan kita release, tak ada lah kontrak tu 10 tahun tu. Kira null and void. Jadi alhamdulillah lah. Rezeki lah. Tapi ada time at that time 90 1990 kan. Masuk with 1,300 je salary.
Lah, masa lagi February 83 lah. Ke
80.
Masa tu ada
83.
ada orientasi tak dulu TMB?
Ada.
Buat di Bangsa juga lah.
No, di Ilsas.
Ilsas.
Di Kajang.
Tak, kita tak tahu
Masa
memang dia
short
pergi. Dia yang terawal sekali lah.
Rupanya dia rekod apa. Selama ni kita ingat ke Ayi. Ingat Ayi. Kita ingat Ayi the first.
Ayi ingat dah Ayi demo. And then
okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Masa
tak tahu.
tu Nick Romzi semua
Nick Romzi I'm not sure. Nick Romzi pergi sekali. Sorry.
Nick Romzi.
Dia sekali dengan Nick Romzi.
Nick Romzi, tapi Nick Romzi went under Kementerian Pelajaran. Under scholarship Kementerian Pelajaran. Under scholarship Kementerian Pelajaran, and then dia boleh tak ingat dia high school mana dia South Sydney.
Wollongong.
Dia South Sydney High School.
South Sydney.
So he went to South Sydney. Nick Romsey lah, one of the earliest juga. So he went to South Sydney High School. I went to the North Sydney. I went to the North Shore. He stayed in the South Shore. Dia duduk di South Sydney. And then he got into Wollongong. I went into Macquarie University. So itulah.
Masa tu macam mana like, first time sapa kat Australia, kat Sydney? Lain tak berasa?
Oh yalah lain. First time pergi orang kan. Muka tak pergi lagi obviously. Kira that was my first time.
Berapa orang Malaysian student masa tu sekali dengan demo? Bash pergi
Masa tu semua LLN lah. Kau tahu 14 orang.
14 orang. And then
Memang tak ramai apa.
So when you reach there also 14 orang tu lah Malaysian. Tak ada Malaysian before that at your place there. Ada Malaysian. Senior semua ada. I see.
Tapi tak ramai lah. Relatively hok pergi dengan UK, pergi ke I think US tak ramai lagi masa tu. Maybe I'm wrong lah. Maybe ramai tapi not from LLN lah. At that time.
I see.
Yeah, not from LLN. Tapi from other sponsors ramai lah.
Dia dah ramai dah masa tu.
ke apa.
83 dah ramai.
So lay balik bila? 88? 88 lah.
Came back 88.
After 2 weeks start dengan TMB.
Start terus lah.
Sebagai apa lah? First mula masuk.
Penolong juru analisa sistem.
Penolong juru analisa sistem.
I was a system analyst because saya pergi sana saya buat computer science. I didn't do engineering.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I was a system analyst. Tapi my posting tu I was posted into an engineering division, bukan the IT division. So which I
Dia panggil apa? Telecontrol ke apa? Okay.
The department was telecontrol, but it was under the transmission division lah. So I stayed under the transmission division until my retirement. Until my retirement.
Transmission.
Basically doing almost the same job throughout. So it's not maybe it's not too exciting lah for most.
Patutlah demo tak tahu apa tu wager pemasuk TMB.
Tak tahu lah.
Distribution kan.
Wager distribution.
I see.
TMB pun ramai 36,000 orang. So itulah. That's so I stayed there and then do my work lah. Masa dekat kerja tu I met Ilani.
Oh, okay.
Ilani was I think Pricewaterhouse ke. Masa tu dia mari buat audit. So I met
Ilani.
Okay.
Dia mari buat audit TMB.
Dia mari buat audit TMB. Then I met Ilani. That was siapa lagi and then Zik lah of course. Zik mari dengan Ho. Masa tu.
Dulu Ilani buat audit untuk TMB. Dia auditor lah Ilani.
Ilani masa tu buat audit.
Okey, sebab dia pun auditor lagi. Ilani auditor untuk tabung kita. Tabung beca.
You can never run away.
Dia buat audit every week kan. Every month lah. Sebab dia buat audit tu. Juru audit. Tabung.